Hey friends, Chris Lockwood here with Worship Artistry, and this is the vocal lesson for Upper Room's Rest on Us, featuring Brandon Lake. And so I just want to make a side note real quick. This song, if you'll notice, is a live recording. Everyone's kind of singing top to bottom. So what we did was we organized it a little bit. So we'll have the lead singer sort of set the song up, and then at a specific time, everybody will come in. And you just want to make it a little more organized, a little more suitable for when you do it at your church. All right. So no one way is not better or worse. If everybody wants to sing from top to bottom, awesome. But this might help it just make it a little more, have some, texture to it, where it kind of has some mountaintops and some valleys, and it just kind of, takes you on a journey. So there it is. Rest on Us. This is a good song. Let's get into it.
So come down, Spirit, when you move, you make my heart pound. When you fill the room, you're here and I know you are moving. I'm here and I know you will fill me. Come down, Spirit, when you move, you make my heart pound. When you fill the room, you're here and I know you are moving. I'm here and I know you will fill me.
As the Spirit was moving over the waters, Spirit, come move over us. Come rest on us. Come rest on us. And then you repeat that, okay? And then we get to fire and wind. It's the same notes, melodies, the rhythm's just a little bit different. Fire and wind, come and do it again. Open up the gates, let heaven on in. And same, come rest on us. Come rest on us. Come rest on us. Obviously, you want to sing it with way more energy than I'm giving it right now. So enunciate, smile, make it bright, and just get into it, okay?